Sales forecasting is a very key component for any organization. First of all, let us see that what exactly forecasting means. Forecasting means that we have to understand beforehand already what is going to be the likely future for a respective product or a service. So, sales forecasting means that we are in a position to understand that yes, down the line in the near future, within the coming months or year, this is going to be the respective sales volume for this product of this type and of this quality. So, sales forecasting is a very important element for any organization. Now, how it helps? With the proper estimation of the likely sales volume in the near future, any organization is in a position to understand that yes, this is going to be the manufacturing for that very particular product. Accordingly, the distribution and the logistics of that volume, that product will move in that same accordance. So, here production and distribution both are getting directly impacted by this forecasting. Then comes the recruitment part. Suppose in a specific territory there is a huge demand which has come up in our sales forecasting process. So the recruitment, training and selection of the respective personnel will take place for that very specific zone or territory. Accordingly, there is a fourth component which is financial, that how the finances will move if there is a requirement of some other equipment, some other resource, some new technology which is required for the distribution, for the marketing, or for the proper assimilation of that very product, then that will be taken into consideration. Fifth one is the management. With this sales forecasting, the entire management of the organization will get impacted. It will be very smooth if the sales forecasting process has been done in a very good manner, because then the allocation of tasks, allocation of resources, and accordingly all other assets can be marshaled in the right